All right, so now it is time to buy a domain and connect it to your white label. You can purchase your domain wherever you like. There's tons of different domain providers out there. The most common ones that we see are like Namecheap or GoDaddy, but again, you can purchase the domain wherever you like. Now, one thing to keep in mind when purchasing a domain, purchase a domain that is unique to this software. Don't use a domain that you're already using for additional services that you provide or a domain that you already have a website on. Choose something unique just for this white label. Now, once you have that domain chosen and purchased, you're going to come to this screen right here and you're going to add in your custom domain. Now, when you're adding this, it could be a top level domain like this, or maybe you want to use a subdomain and put a prefix in front. To give you an example, at SalesPipe, we do this. So we put app.salespipe.com. That is our domain. But again, it doesn't matter. Use a top level domain or use a subdomain. Now, depending on what you enter in this box, we're going to update the DNS records that we provide to you. So let's take a look. If I put in domain.com, here are the records. These are the updates that you would need to make to your DNS records. If I say app.domain.com, we change the record right here. So enter your domain, come down here, and you're going to look at the exact DNS settings that we provide to you. And then you're going to log into your provider who you purchased the domain from and navigate to the DNS settings section. Now, if you're unable to find the DNS settings inside your provider, please reach out to them directly. They're going to be best suited to tell you exactly where to go. There's too many providers out there for us to know how to navigate through all of them. But if you reach out to their support, they should take you right to the page where you need to go to update your records. And quite honestly, they may even update the records for you if you ask them. Now, once you have entered the DNS records that we provide, you're going to come right here, say save and mark as done. And after that, it's just a waiting game. At that point, you're just waiting for your domain provider to update your records. Now, some providers update records almost immediately, and others take several days. So it's completely dependent on the provider that you choose. You will know that your domain has been updated when you no longer see this Pipe Pro right here in the URL. So go ahead now and follow the steps on this page, and we'll move on to the next step.